Today let's see how to create this and view 4 channels at once in HTML. Okay, now let's see how it works. Open Notepad++ and start typing document type as HTML and open HTML tag, close HTML tag, then open head tag and close head tag. And within that we need to open title tag so we can give the web page a title. So let's type split screen view and let's create style. It's CSS inside HTML. That's the style tag, and we are going to assign HTML and body sizes. Height is 100% and padding is 0, margin 0, and give 4 divs. So the first common div has a width of 50% out of 100 height and 50% of height and float left. Now let's create div colors so we can know that the div is split into 4. So I'm giving a random color, which is a light gray and a dark gray for the div 2, and div 3 has even more darker gray, and div 4 has even more darker gray. That's AABBCCDD, and that's the hexadecimal code. And we are gonna give body. We are gonna hide the scroll bar on the left and bottom of the web page so that we can have a full view of the 4 channels. And now we are gonna create a body tag. Open and close the body tag, and then we are going to create div. We are going to assign div 1 for the first div, and assign 2 for the second div, and assign 3 for third div, and fourth div. Right, that way we will have different colors for different divs. And that's the ID for the div. Now let's go into YouTube and then get the embedded coding. So let's type live news or live stream, and then open a video which you like, and I'm gonna open this news and click on share, and then click on embedded, and then click on copy. So you got text there, and then paste it inside the div tags, and then let's go and get 3 more channel embedded codings from YouTube. Let's copy it and then come to coding and paste it, and do the same for the rest of divs. Copy, paste, and the last one. This, share, embedded, copy, paste. And now let's save the document. Save. I'm gonna name it as index.html. H.html is the extension for this document for web pages. And now let's see how it looks on Chrome. You see here it has a lot of space remaining, so I'm gonna change the width and height values, and I'm going to give 800 and 450, and let me replace that 360 to 800, 560 to 800, and 315 to 450 by finding and replacing method. This is the fastest method, and you can click replace all, it will replace everything. And now let's save the document, and voila, we got that full screen. And now we can press F11 to have a full screen view of the web page, and then we can play and then we can mute all the videos. And then when we want to look at our channel and we want to have the audio from one channel, we can unmute that channel and have a view of that. And if you have to switch between the other channel, we can mute the channel which we are looking at and then switch to the other. Thank you.